Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to watch Netflix together in Rave. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch Netflix together in Rave. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Rave. Once your Rave is open up, as you see mine, open up, click on your Netflix right here. Or you can join either one of this. But you need to have your Netflix logged in. So click on Netflix. After clicking on Netflix, you'll now have to wait here. And once you're here, sign in. Sign in. So I'm gonna cut this part. So in 3, 2, 1, cut. Now as you can see right here, now when you are now logged in here, choose a movie which you want. Let's say Raven. Let's choose this. After choosing that, there you go. Now you have made a party to stream your they call this your what you are watching, and you can watch now together on Netflix. So all your friend needs to do is do the same thing. They just need to log into their Rave. After that, click right here. Click on the link. There we go. Copy a link. Then send that link to your friend like this. For example, he's using a browser, then just send him like that. Then enter. Then there you go. He needs to open his Rave on his PC. After you open that, he will be eventually go in here to your chat, and you'll be able to watch together with your friend. So there you go, guys. That's how you watch with your friends. Or you can either just add him right here, username, if you're already friends in Rave. So there, to add a friend in Rave, a little bit of a tip for you guys to add a friend, just click right here. After clicking right there, choose a friend right here. Search a name, any name. After searching a name, add them, and once it's add, it will go right here recently. And then once it's in recently, we'll just have to wait for him to accept. Once he accepts that, he will be added right here, and you can just invite him to your party. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.